Hello everyone. Again I am here you for your online study. Okay. So are you ready for study? Okay. So now take out your math notebook because your maths period is going on. So take out your math notebook. Before start writing, first you tell me what is your school name. First your name, then your school name, then your class. So all the sentence begin in English. Okay. Say my school name, my name and my class name. Okay. So we are prepared for this. Okay. So you tell all three sentences and make video and send it to me. Now we are going to start math subject. In math subject we have done 1 to 15 number names. We have done 1 to 15 number names. So today we are writing number name 1616. Okay. Today we are writing 1616 and revision of 1 to 50. Okay. Revision of 1 to 50 and write number 1616. So first we are doing revision. After that we writing the number name 16. First write down the heading number names. Number names 1 to 15. Okay. 1 to 15. On number 1, what is the name of number 1? Tell me. Yes. If you don't know, repeat after me, and if you know, say with me. Okay. ONE1. Write in the box. So ONE1. ONE1. This is number 1. After number 1, 2. So what is the name of number 2? If you know, tell me, and if you don't know, repeat after me. All of you say TWO2. TWO2. After number 2, write number 3, slipping line, and write here the name of number 3. What is the name of number 3? If you know, say. And if you don't know, repeat after me. But please say and write. So what is the name of number 3? THREE. 3. THREE. This is number 3. After number 3, 4. So, what is the name of number 4? FOUR. 4. FOUR. This is number 4. After number 4, which number will come? 5. So write here FIV and E. 5. FIVE 5. This is number 5. Write in your notebook 1 to 5. Write fast. Now tell me, after number 5, which number will come? 6. Tell me the name of number 6. SIX. 6. Okay. SIX 6. After number 6, which number will come? After number 6, number 7 will come. So here we write 7. The name of number 7 is SEVEN. Write fast and write with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Return. Then 6, 7. ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5. Return. Then SIX 6, SEVEN 7. Okay. Then number 8. The name of number 8 is EIGHT. 8. Okay. Then write number 9. What is the name of number 9? NINE. 9. After number 9, which number will come? 1, 0, 10. Name of the number 10 is TEN. Many times you write 1 to 10, so it is very simple for you. Now we are writing 11 to 15. So look here and look careful and write with me. 1 to 10, return fast. After 1 to 10, after 1 to 10, we are writing 11 to 15. Okay. After 10, 11 number will come. What is the name of number 11? ELEVEN. 11. After 10, 11 number will come. So the name of 11 is ELEVEN. 11. Then 1 to 12. TWELVE. Okay, this is number 12. TWELVE. 12. Then 13. Okay, so the name of number 13 is and 13. The name of 1313 is THIRTEE and 13. After 13, 1414. FOURTEE and 13. Sorry, 14. FOURTEE and 14. And last 15. FIFTEE and 15. So we are cover revision of one. This is the revision we have done in your previous videos. All the spellings in one page. So this is revision. Write 1 times 11 to 15 and write 1 to 10 also. Write fast all the names 1 to 15. After 1 to 15 you write full page 1616. Today we are start 1616. Okay. Then we will revise all 11 to 16. This is your heading. Now we are write down number name only. Okay, number name 1616. New heading, number name 1616. Okay, so we have done 1 to 15. After this, write down new heading, number name 16, only 16, and write down the name of 1616. What is the name of 1616? First, we will revise in oral. You know the spelling of 6? Yes or no? Where is the 6 spelling? Here, SIX. Now only we are adding TEEN. So the spelling is, you know the spelling of 6? SIX. Then you adding TEEN. TEEN. 16. That spelling write full page in your notebook. Okay, write number 16 full page. Like 1616, slipping line, and write the spelling. SIXTEEN. 16. One more time. 1616. SIXTEEN. Okay. You know the spelling of 16. So tell me what is the spelling of 16. First, tell me the spelling of 6. What is the spelling of 6? Tell me. S-I-X. Right here. S-I-X. Then, after S-I-X, write T-E-E-N. 16. So number name is 16. Write the 16 full page. How many times? 5 to 6 times you write the spelling of 16 on one page. One more time write here. 16. When you writing, please say the spelling. Then write. Okay, so the spelling is S-I-X, 6, and adding T-E-E-N. T-E-E-N. 16. Okay, one more time. Write here 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. So how many times you write the spelling of 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times? 6. In one page, write 6 times the spelling of 16. Okay, 1 to 10 we are revise again and again. So now we will revise 11 to 16. Okay, from 11 to 16. So are you ready? First 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. This is number 11 and this is the name of number 11. So E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. After 11, T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. This is number 12. 1 to 12. After number 12, T-H-I-R. Then add T-E-E-N. 13. This is number 13. 1, 3, 13. After 13, F-O-U-R. You know the spelling of 4? F-O-U-R, 4. Then add T-E-E-N. So the number is 1, 4, 14. After 14, 15. So F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. This is number 15. 1, 5, 15. You write all the 11 to 15. Now turn the page and move to the 16. Now you write 16 full page. So you revise also in 5 times. 5 times you revise the spelling of 16. And 16 spelling is very simple. You know the spelling of 6 and you add T-E-E-N. So the number name is S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. So we have done from 1 to 16. And you learn all the spellings from 1 to 16. And write in your notebook also. Okay, write fast. On 2 page, write 1 to 15 and on 3rd page, write 16. This is number 2. Okay, so now your lecture is over. At home you learn all the number names. Okay, this is your homework. You learn the spelling also and write on your math notebook. Now we will meet in next lecture. So bye. Have a nice day.